Fire department, what's the address of the emergency?
There's a fire. The flames is coming out the window and everything. There's kids in the house.
Okay, ma'am. West Poplar. Hello?
We don't. It's just people coming out of everywhere. I don't know who in there.
Okay.
Attention Engine 6, Engine 9, Engine 2, Engine 12, Truck 2, Truck 3, Battalion 1, Battalion 2, Operator 1, District 601, D as in David, structure fire West Poplar between Madison and Monroe, going route Channel 1, Jack 2.
Control 2, Engine 9's on scene. Two-story house, we got fire showing from the D side. Second floor. We're going to be pulling an engine 3/4. We're going to need help with water and a backup line. This is going to be Poplar Command. Captain right here is in charge. We'll be waiting for 2 and 2 out.
Ten 4, Poplar Command.
Coming through, man. Coming through. Thank you.
Yeah, Engine 2's on scene. We got water and backup line.
Engine 2, 10 4.
Hey, buddy.
Battalion 1's on scene. I'll be assuming command. Command's supposed to be located across the street. The Chief Titus is in charge.
Command post across the street.
Yeah. Water.
Truck 2's on scene.
Truck 2 on scene.
Engine 6 is on scene.
Engine 6 on scene.
Battalion 2, UPI is built. Can you guys look in the back for me? And Control 2, Battalion 1, we're going to need PG&E electric.
Battalion 1, so far.
Battalion 2, copy.
Second line. Hey, I'll get that second line, KT. Are you hosing? Huh? I'll get that second line.
Engine 9's over, we're having more pressure on the ground.
Command 2, electric interior, not the gas. 10-4.
No. Hey, we got a hydrant on that corner. Go ahead, I got you, go. Go.
be a hidden stairwell, huh? Should be up there by now. Hey, I don't think they've flown any yet. I don't think they. There you go. That's the first one.
Look, Command, you're 10 minutes in. Starting fill.
Water coming.
Okay, copy, 10 minutes. Command, we got the fire knocked down here. How's it look from the outside? It looks good from the outside. Control 2, Command, you can go to fire under control.
Battalion 1, fire under control.
Perfect fire. That's looking fair. This hot spot's around the.
Nothing above 110 up there. Alright. That looks good.